Welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is especially for students who are confused how to submit their assignments using Google Classroom. So this is a student who is into the class. So as you can see, the grade section is usually absent for students. Now whenever there's a new announcement or an assignment, both of them will surely appear in your stream section. Moving on to the classwork section. So you can turn in your work online in the classroom. Depending on the type of assignment and the attachments, you will see either turn in or mark is done. So any kind of material that is posted by my teacher, I can only view the material. There is nothing that I can submit back. Of course, I can add a class comment to this. Further, if there's any kind of assignment which is due in future and is assigned currently, I can go to view assignment. To attach a document, click on Google Drive. Now you have to properly create a PDF of your work in case you're doing the work in your notebook. Otherwise, in case you are creating Google Docs online, you can simply add them. In case you want to remove this file, in case you've added a wrong file, you simply click on this cross button. You can also add private comments. Private comments will be visible only to the teacher and not to any of your classmates. But in case you add a class comment here, the class comment will be visible to other classmates as well. Now, in case you're sure, you can click on turn in. In case you need to edit your work after you have turned in, you can unsubmit the assignment. But make sure to do this before the due date and make your changes and resubmit. In case the assignment is turned in after the due date, it will be recorded as late. Let's see an example of this as well. For example, let's see this math test which was due today morning and I haven't submitted it. This is a quiz assignment. Click on view assignment. Click on the form to answer the questions and then click on mark as done. But since you are turning this after the due date, it will be recorded as done late. Let's have a look in the teacher's grade section how your assignments will look. So this is the teacher's grade section. Now since this assignment was turned in late, done late is written over there. In case the student hasn't submitted the assignment even after the due date, missing symbol will come here. And this assignment was turned in time, so there is no done late here. Apart from that, all these assignments were graded. In case there is any assignment which is ungraded, then it simply appears as turned in green color and the teacher can view your assignment. So thank you for watching this video. In case you have any kind of queries regarding submitting of assignments, you can write to us at care.tutortools@gmail.com.